Let's see another LeetCode problem. It's trapping rainwater. So in this problem, it is given in the height here, and you consider this one is one building. So it's a building with a 0 height, and so one. So building with 1 height, 0 here. It's a building with a 0 height, and then it's a building with a 2 height and a building 1 height. So this number, so based on this number, we can easily design this graph. And let's assume it's a raining day, and when the rain comes, we need to calculate how many units of the rain we can find here. So we can, like, if you see here, the rain, there is no building, so all the rain water, there won't be the rainwater here. But in this place, this building here, there is a building here also, so here there can be rainwater. So we can calculate this unit 1, and in this place the rainwater can be here, so that's unit 2, and we can put rainwater can be here also because there is building this side. Then so 1 2 3 4, so 4 unit here, and there's a 1 unit here, so 4 1 5 6, so answer will be 6 here. So in order to solve this problem, we need to create two wall, like the left wall and the right wall. So when I say the left wall and right wall, based on the height, so based on this size of the height, we create a variable with the same length, left and the right. So, and then we can use the formula, so to calculate the unit. So let's say this example, let's calculate the left wall. So the left wall will be whatever is the max, that will be the left wall. So here there is a 0, so there is no wall. 1, so in a left array we can put this is a 1 is my left wall here, and here there is nothing, then we put 1 because the 1 is the max. We'll see the previous one is a max. When you come here, the left wall will be 2. If you come here again, still left wall will be 2 because this is the bigger wall, left side. And for this also, the left wall is this. For here also, the left wall is this 2. So in this array variable, we just put this left wall 2 to here. If you come here, when we come here, the left wall will be 3. So still, for this also, this is left wall, that's the left wall. So for this also, this left wall. So from here, all will be the left wall. So left wall will be 3 here. So 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 3 in a left variable. In this place 1 2 3 4 2 in the left wall array. So in this way we calculate the left wall, and then when we calculate the right wall, we can start from the right, and in the first value of the right wall will be 1. Again here right wall will be 2. For this still right wall 2. For this still right wall 2 because that's the same. So this is right wall, and here 3. Then from this is right wall 3 here also 3, here also 3. For all these lower value, right wall will be 3. So once we calculate the left and right wall, then we can find the minimum of this, which is the minimum, left wall or right wall, and then we can subtract this value. Let's analyze this situation, and we'll calculate that's 1 unit, and in that way eventually we'll find all the unit. So for this, left wall is 0, right wall is 3 because this, see, that's 3. So for that's the 3. So right wall and left wall is 0. So which is the mean? Left wall is the mean, 0. So 0 minus this height, 0. So there is no water here. If you come to this place, left wall is 1 and the right wall is 3. So which is the minimum? 1 is the minimum. So 1 minus this height, 1 0. So there is no water here. If you come to this place, left wall is still 1, but right wall is 3. So the mean is left wall, so 1 minus 0. So there is a 1 unit of water, will be here. So in the similar way, if you use the same pattern, we'll find, you know, all the units. We'll find the 4 units here, 1 unit is 5, and 1 units here, 6 units, and that will be the answer. So if you know this pattern, you know this, then it's very easy. It's just a for loop. Just need a, you know, three for loop, 3 level of the for loop. One for loop calculate left wall, another for loop right wall, and the third for loop use this pattern logic, and then we can do that. We need a min function also, because we need to find out which is the minimum, left wall or right wall. So let's create the min function first. If a less than b, return a, otherwise return b. So that's the main function. Then we create the 2 variables for the one left and right. So left make the array and the length of height. We also calculate the right wall, length of height. So we have this. Let's calculate the left wall value. So first, in a left 0, I want to put a height 0. Okay, so I put, you know, this value to the left wall, and then my iteration, I can start the iteration from this. So I1. So for I is equal to 1, I less than length of height, I plus plus. Then I can check if this value, that is height, if height I greater than previous value in the left wall. So left wall, so you can say left I minus 1. If height is greater than this previous wall value, then the bigger value will be the left wall. So in this case, I can put left I is equal to height I. Else, if it is not bigger, if, you know, this is not bigger, then in a left I can put the previous value of the left wall. So left I is equal to left I minus 1. So in this way we calculated this left wall. Let's calculate right wall. So for the right, in the right, this one, so that is the length of height minus 1. I want to put the same value, so that is height, length of height minus 1. So I put the same value in the right, and I will check. I need a for loop first, and I want to start for loop from this I minus 2. That is the length of, what is the length, minus 2. I will start from here. So for I is equal to length of height minus 2, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. Okay, that's good. We'll check. So we are starting from here, so we'll check this value greater than this one, that is from the right wall. We put the same value into right wall, so we'll check that. So if height I greater than right I plus 1, right I plus 1 means here, if this value greater than this, then I can put the bigger value in a right wall. So right I can put height I. Else, you know, else, if this is not bigger, then in a right I can put the previous right wall value because that was bigger then. So in that case I can say right I is equal to right I plus 1, right I plus 1. Okay, we'll print this values here. So empty println left wall is equal to left, right wall is equal to right, then you can put array equal to height. We print that, and then we need a result also. So total water, so we need a variable for, we can put it that variable here itself. Total is equal to 0, and then here we need a for loop, final for loop. I less than height, I plus plus. Then I can check here which is the minimum, left wall or right wall. So I can check mean of left I comma right I, mean of that I can put in a total plus the minimum of this minus whatever is the minimum of this left wall and right wall minus this value. So height I, and we can return total. Let's run this. Oh, there is a, I think this is correct, but here length of height. Index out of bound here, length 12, which line is saying main, line 17. Okay, so this should be from here. So if I say the -1, it will start from here, so we need to start from -2. I think I said that, but somehow I put -1. Let's run this. Okay, accepted, and we can check this also in a well, left wall. So left wall will calculate it 0. This is 0 for this 0, and for the 1 this is the bigger, so that's why 1 is the left wall. This one 0, that's also left wall 1, and from the 2 this is the left wall, so 2 till here, so 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 4 2 the left wall. And if we come here, there's a 3 is the left wall here, and then again 1 2 3 4 5 5 3, so 5 3. And for the right wall, right, we started from here, this is the 1, this is a 1, and as soon as you come here, that's a 2, and again we come here, that's again 2 till here 2, so 1 2 3 2, 1 2 3 2. When you come here 3, so from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 3. And then we added the logic. So which is the minimum? 0 to 3, 0 is the minimum, 0 minus 0 minus 0 0, no. So for this, no water unit here. When you come to the second, then you can see 1 3, which is the minimum, 1 1 minus 1 0, no water here also. If you come to third one, 1 and 3 is the minimum, 1, so 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 1, so we got the 1 in this place. So in this way, this, based on this logic, we can find all the this water units here. So let's submit this. Yeah, accept it. So yeah, it seems just very simple logic. You can do the similar stuff in a Java, so there is nothing complex here, just 3 loops. So I'm not writing the code for the Java for this time. If you need, just let me know. I can put that in a comment. Thank you.